getting advice or eliciting help and helping that person. Work with your people. Sell them on ED, give them the plan, and then work the plan with them. You guys, we need 1,000 more full-timers. We need 1,000 more full-time mission warriors to take LegalShield to become a household name to where it needs to be. We need 1,000 more Team Pinnacle full-time warriors. Many of you guys are full-time. Not even all of you guys are full-time yet. We need people that are focused on this full tilt. They are all in. They are sold out. How many full-timers are you going to create on your team? Because if you want freedom in the future, it can't be just you and then a whole bunch of part-timers where the buck always starts and stops with you. That's not freedom. That's a job. Freedom comes from you having some full-time leaders. Like, you want to be a platinum? You want 4 full-time EDs deriving their income from their LegalShield business. A platinum with 4 part-time EDs, that's a little scary. You can fall in and out. You want 4 people that this is their income. This is their mission. So how many full-timers are you going to create?